Flood is the natural disaster which causes massive destructions by overflowing of water. Floods are common in Pakistan and affect Sindh and Punjab more. The monsoon season brings a lot of heavy rainfall that increases water level of rivers of Sindh and Punjab river basin sinks into water. When the floods are extensive, the water rushes into the heart of cities and villages. The reason for flood is mostly sudden. Flood is when dams break down or because melting of glaciers. Floods damage the living conditions and it takes a lot of time to recover from this disaster. It takes away homes of many poor and leaves people in misery. They are forced to live under open sky. The shortage of clean water and food takes away lives of many people. The people have to face hunger and starvation. The other major problem is the spreading of diseases. The people stuck in their places until the rescue teams arrive through helicopters or boats. The government and citizens must work together to formulate ways to prevent floods. Proper awareness must be spread about the steps to take when flood occurs. Further, there should be an efficient system for storing the excessive water due to rain. Plantations should be done in and around the river's bank.